If you've ever turned 5 Chrome tabs into 50 just to make one simple deck, welcome to the club. I'm Eric Porras, head of global AI at Logitech, and this is AI Boost Bites, where we share quick, practical ways to work smarter with AI. Today, I'll show you a workspace-native AI flow that gets me from raw materials to a draft deck in hours, not days. Let's talk about a pain point you probably know well: building a presentation the old way, or as I like to say, the manual grind. It starts with blank page paralysis and analysis, turns into a scavenger hunt across last quarter's decks, random emails and spreadsheets, and somehow ends with a pixel-pushing marathon at 3 a.m. Here's the shift. I don't start with slides at all anymore. I start with inputs and structure. Step 1, I gather the raw materials, reports, briefs, emails, notes, meeting transcripts, you name it, and drop them into NotebookLM. NotebookLM does the heavy lifting on synthesis. I ask it to produce a structured outline for my audience and my goal based only on the sources I give it. Step 2, I move into drafting, and this is where a chain of gems I created helps me go from outline to deck fast. I don't try to do this in one mega prompt because clarity beats cleverness. Each step has one job, stays grounded in the sources, and I can catch drift early. First, I use a power prompt builder gem to tighten the prompt, basically turning my outline into a clean, high-signal instruction set. That refined prompt goes into my presentation builder gem, which generates a first-pass deck with headlines, structure, and visual suggestions. And here's an important point. I treat AI like a capable teammate. I give it context and constraints, and then I review and steer, because quality still needs a human owner. I delegate the first pass, but I own the final call. Step 3 is narrative. A strategy deck isn't just slides, it's a story. I use Google Vids, especially convert slides, to pressure test the flow and draft the voiceover or speaker notes. Finally, for polish and practice, I run it through a presentation coach gem, my sparring partner for clarity, pacing, and emphasis before it's showtime. That's AI's leverage, giving me time to focus on delivery and less on deck drudgery. Ready to get started? Now it's your turn. Thanks for watching, have fun, and remember, AI is a teammate, not just a tool.